Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be taking out some of those numbers from the puzzle that we made last video. We go into the puzzle, we can see that we put in the solution or the final answer into the puzzle. In this video we'll be taking out those puzzles. So the first thing we're going to do is go straight into main activity. After that we're going to open up this if then from the last video. Then we're going to go right at the end, click enter. I'm gonna make a comment saying take away. After that, we're gonna make two variables. Val random equals random dot next int. Because this is a normal one, I'm just gonna do 50 through 53. So that's how many cells or numbers we're taking away. I'm gonna do var a equals 0. Then we'll say while a is less than or equal to random val r equals random next int one dot when so what I just did right now is I made a random number generator to see how many numbers we're taking out from the puzzle. I made a so when it loops it from the while loop, it'll go over and over multiple times until it reaches the number from the random number generator. And I made another random number generator from 1 to 81 so it can pick out random numbers other than me picking them out one by one. So the code that we'll be doing is going to be 1 with a braces, 1 arrow b1.text equals b1.text equals nothing because there's going to be nothing inside, and b1.text will be the first thing, so it will be black border, black border. And after that, will it do it all 81 times for the 81 problems? Will it copy it, paste it, 9 times, change it, and when we go to the second box, we'll just change black border to selecting which is orange and black. I'm gonna speed this up until it's finished, fully finished. So, so after I finish with all the numbers, you're gonna go straight down and do A++. The reason why you do that is because if you don't, the while loop is gonna continue on forever and ever, and it's gonna crash your app. So make sure you, at the end, you're gonna go right underneath the the braces that connects the when loop, and you're gonna do A++ right underneath it, so it can stop the while loop from going on and on over and over again. And if we run the app, and if you wrote all the code correctly, this is what it should look like. Empty spaces, and numbers are still in there. Click new, empty spaces, numbers are still in there. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!